Hello, welcome to Chitra's channel, and I am Pooja, faculty from English.
Hi, I'm Sharon, Psychology Department.
Give a victory smile.
Food is highly linked to emotions, and my emotional levels are so happy, and my hormones are so happy because of the food.
Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be a fun vlog. It is about a lunch with me and 3 other staffs. Now I will introduce you one by one.
Hello, welcome to Chitra's channel, and I am Pooja, faculty from English, Kuburgur College of Liberal Arts and Science.
Hey girls, this is Puarsi, Psychology Department faculty. Yahoo! Sharon?
Hi, I'm Sharon, Psychology Department, same college as them as well. Yeah, hello everyone.
Yeah, guys, so why we are here is like I'll tell you what I will narrate you what happened. Okay, initially we planned at 12:35 p.m. and because of this lady we reached here only by 1:30, and we are going to make her the sponsor for the day. So this is the day's schedule, and you are going to enjoy what all we have with her money. Yeah.
Hello.
And this is that girl,
Indeed.
that faculty. நீ உனக்கு என்ன வேணும் ஃபுல்கா
ஸ்வீட் பெட்டல் மஷ்ரூம் மிளகு ஒரு மஷ்ரூம்
பிரெட்டுக்கு கிரேவி
அந்த கிரேவி இருக்கிறதா
என்னென்ன கிரேவி
மஷ்ரூம் மசாலா இருக்கு கடாய் வெச்சிருக்கு கடாய் பன்னீர் இருக்கு
It's something about the complimentary soup.
Guys, initially before ordering, actually we were taking a long time, so they gave us some complimentary soup, and it is so good actually. It's so appealing. Yeah.
It tastes,
You know, I can't even speak. We can't even speak, so we are tasting it.
maybe you're hungry.
Yeah, seriously, we are really hungry. And again, because of her. We would have ordered by 12:30 and we were... Yeah, bro. And guys, we unintentionally, Survani gives this broken pot. We have to take it. Either it is aesthetic or it is broken. Oh, then it is aesthetic. Sorry, guys.
I think it's to keep the mouth.
I don't know. No, wherever you can keep anywhere and you can drink.
It is broken perfectly.
Bro, see he.
This is not for mouth. Look at the bottle.
Yeah, it looks
But they are not broken.
abstract. It's broken. So basically, the soup is inside the broken pot.
Okay, bro.
That's aesthetics for you.
Okay. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning from them. What is
I-
aesthetics? I didn't know all these years what is aesthetics is.
Even I have this confusion. What actually aesthetics? What is this?
No, look at the lights.
Look at the lights. Light is
colour.
lighting. Flower is flowering. Mud is mudding.
When you bring artificial aesthetics into your life.
Oh, the thing is, what's I like it. See, so it's very pleasing. It's very like what do you say? Looking good and beautiful. But
You feel rich
what's
here.
so
That is what I would say.
special about it? Maybe I don't have the rasana. I agree that. Okay. But why is it so like trending? It's like aesthetics, pink color, pastel color, brown, shade. It's like, as it is. நீங்க அதை சொல்லி அதை ஹைப் கொடுத்து வந்து I don't know. You get it?
I see aesthetics in color. If it's like yellow color room, dark green color room, I cannot.
No, something which pleases you. So for me, maybe the dark color green room looks good for me because it gives me a calm, dark shade and it's lovely. So for me, it's aesthetics, not
Yeah, I think it's subjective.
subjective. Right? It's not the pink, yellow pastel. That is aesthetics. So what is pleasing for me?
Yeah.
What do you say, Pooja?
I love the embellishments, like
Yeah.
whatever is decorative. Why do you earn? Enjoy, to enjoy, right? So to enjoy, I feel like I want to step into some good places, enjoy the ambience there. So that is aesthetics for me. Okay.
Just to get the tree.
Or not, and whether it is bothering them or not, whenever, because like during the initial days of my marriage life, okay, she was there with me all the times, because like I will go there and I will say her, and the problem would be so big for me, and then she was like, ah, that's okay, yeah. When she says those kind of consoling words now, it would be like, oh, so that is not a problem now, how did I feel? So that is the kind of feel that she gives me, and it is like even now continue, even whatever problem it is, I will go there and I will just like say whatever the problem is, and now the problem would not be there when I step out of her room. So that is, I don't know, that kind of magic that she has. She's she's Puerzi clinical psychologist. Whatever problems you can just call her and you can just vomit everything, and then your problems will be sorted. Whatever the problem is, you will not have a problem at all.
Can you be with
So I'm managing her. Seriously, she is a very good guy, guys.
I'm doing my job here, please. Please be my peer manager. I need promotion.
Free of promotion, free of cost.
Subscribe, notify.
Pecan Manchurian. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, come on, guys. This is the custom that she's practicing.
Chitra's, what do you say, Northeast followers be like, what? Why is she wiping the lady?
Custom,
You didn't do-
traditional custom.
Do it, girl.
And we are so proud about the hygiene
Do it.
hygiene practice that we have. Now, guys, we are teaching her
Hey,
how
wipe it,
the
wipe
Tamil
it,
Nadu
wipe it,
tradition
wipe it,
is
girl.
followed for hygiene
Achha, my voice
practices.
is heard, no?
Here comes the hygiene practice of Tamil Nadu,
Girl,
and
get
we are so
muted.
proud.
And a mix of
And a mix of, yeah,
Yeah.
wiping. This is how cultures mix.
Intercultural programs, intercultural
And yes,
friends.
you are done. Give a victory smile. Okay? Tenga சாப்பிடு வெல்ல. I don't know. But since she's taking vlog, I couldn't. I would have
After the vlog, the video
After
cuts,
the
this
vlog,
paneer would be in my
taken
mouth
10 seconds.
and not in her, or else in her mouth.
Big bite.
I won't force you to take.
Why after a very long time?
Where is she? How is she? So now you tell me, you Chitra, how is
You know to
chicken?
cook, like chicken and all.
Honest feedback, come on.
5 out of 5.
What, bro?
5 out of 5?
It looks so appealing, guys. I am not a desert person, still I am trying because it is so appealing. It's yummy. So yummy.
Ice cream.
That is chocolate version.
Chocolate. Yeah, I didn't expect them to have chocolate. I thought they'll have vanilla. Yeah, but their sweet looks yum yum. But I'm not a sweet person.
You're not a sweet person.
No, I'm not sweet. Yeah.
Me.
Oh.
Me. Basically, she told my custard review. Okay. The custard is so silky. It's too sweet.
I like the texture running in my mouth, but I find it konja hard. But I love it. Not complaining because I'm a sweet person. You cannot make a mistake in your sweet ever. Period.
Okay, guys, we had an amazing food experience, and we are so happy for the food. You know, the food is highly linked to emotions, and my emotional levels are so happy, and my hormones are so happy because of the food.
Baby is happy, guys.
Yeah, I'm pregnant and I'm happy, and my baby is also happy.
What? I'm done.
Okay, so now we would like you all to enjoy the vlog, like, share, and subscribe.
Hit the bell
to-
notification, guys.
Yeah. And subscribe her channel. It's
It's too good. It's like
Not-
real.
Okay, and upcoming videos are also worth watching, guys. Okay,
Please check it out, guys.
Yeah, check
You're
it out.
gonna miss the huge part of Kumaraguru and Coimbatore.
Yeah. Okay, bye.